Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Mama OKH. I just see the video just now, like the thing just shocked me. When I know say it's not easy for somebody to lost in your pikin when he born with young bekus. Very painful, my people. As I see the video just now, the thing just shocked me when she dey cry saying he lost his son, the only son where he gets, whether they go 40 years and they never born any pikin for him. My people, very bad, like sad news. Like the thing she just dey cry, like even the way she dey cry. I don't even know if YouTube go even allow the video, but I go put small make una see am. Like the thing, it did very painful for somebody to lost in your pikin. Very painful, my people. The pain wey pass am, e no dey this world. As I see the video just now, like the thing just shocked me. I no just know. I just dey short of words. Like I don't even know what to say. Like seriously, very painful, my people. Very painful. Like I'll put the video down. Make una. I will place more. Very painful. People like say they be not tell her. So when they can't tell her, the cry was just too much, my people. See how she dey cry. She dey cry because the day very painful for somebody to just lost one, the only son when he get. And they say he never born for him 40 years. Like the guy dey. They never born for him. Very bad news, like very painful journal. I just they come from outside now I say I just make I click her video. She dey cry. She did a live video on it. Please, my people, help me to share this video. And this is a very bad news. Like God, no, who did this guy? Who did this to Mama OKH? Nah, who did this to Mama OKH? Pikin wey never born for am. Nothing. See her, she's crying. And people are just no. Una dey hear. Omari oku oma bie. Omari, he say he no marry, no born pikin. Ew. My people, this is very bad news. Like person not born pikin. Very painful. Very painful, my people. Who did this thing to Mama? She dey cry, my people. Pikin wey don reach 40 years, he not born pikin. 40 years, then this is son dey so. 40 years, my people, 40 good years. He not marry, he not born pikin. He not marry, he not born pikin. And I'm the only son where she got. The only son. But I say the rest now guess. The only son I just go so. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Very painful. Like, God. I just pray, may God forgive her the mind. May she bear the lost. You know, easy say you there alive. You can't lost your own pikin. Very, you know, the kind bad news way past that, you know, this world. You there alive. Small way up for my present that day. We on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, my son. You just have to change here. And God now save me that day. You know the kind cry, the kind pain, the kind as in what I passed through that few minutes before ambulance come. Talk less of somebody just lost in your picky. The only son. The only son. The only son, my people. The only son. So, they all am. So, now she that they drag for ground, so. Now they see am. So bad. Now she dey ground, so they cry. There not be wetin person they happy for make you experience. Not be wetin person they happy make you experience. Say you dey alive, your pikin go. I know what she dey pass through. I know exactly what she dey pass through. It's so painful, like seriously. Say you dey, your pikin just go just like that. Even pikin, he never even born for him, nothing. The only son. The only son. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Not only God know why he gone so soon. Not only God now know why. We don't go fit ask God. There is no amount of cry when you go cry. When you go take come back. It don't go, my people. It don't go. Very, very painful. Very, very painful, my people. So, you say one gets up, they say they hold her. They pin her down because they don't know where she want to go. You say one get up because the way she did the drag, I don't feel put the full video because YouTube will not allow it. YouTube will not allow it. You understand? Very, very painful for somebody to lost the pikin. They painful, my people. They very, very painful. So Mona just give the son the last respect. Thank you, my people. Please let me to share this video. Let the video go viral. Bye. I'll push just short one more last year. Bye, everybody.
Which I've always said, I'm